guys, please help me end this debate, my wife. Is this a tiny egg or just a rock? Because I know there's a lot of rocks out there that look like eggs, and she'd love it if I told her that every rock she found was a dinosaur egg or something cool like that. But every few moments we're out rock hounding, I have to tell my wife that circular rock she found is just a rock. However, this one she's found, to my surprise, kinda does look like an egg, and she'd love it if I told her she was right. So let's find out together and see if she's correct. We're gonna cut this one open and find out once and for all, is this one really an egg? Because it looks like an egg and feels like an egg, but is it really an egg? Now here's the fun part. If she cracks the code, I'll do the dishes all week. But if I've got it correct, I'm gonna ask her to give me a foot massage after the next time we go rock hounding, and I'll wear thongs on my feet. So let's see who's right. Because either way, we're gonna crack this mystery wide open. All right, here we go. Is it a yolk? Is it a gem? Or is it just a rock? Okay, that's unexpected, I must admit. My wife may be right. Look at that. It may be an egg. Tell us, what's your verdict? Are you team egg or are you team rock? Drop your comment below. And who knows what the next rock may hold. Make sure you hit that follow or subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the excitement.